Hey folks, my name is Jeremiah, and I'm here to help you simplify commute mileage calculations. You probably already know that commute miles don't count towards reimbursements because the IRS considers commutes as a personal expense. In most cases, drivers should be classifying commutes as personal drives in their reports. However, there may be times where drivers drive directly to a business site, skipping their usual commute to the office. In those cases, drivers are eligible for mileage reimbursements after deducting their usual commute miles. With Teams Pro, there's an easy way to exclude commute miles from your driver's reports automatically, which of course saves you time doing all those calculations by hand. Now, to start, you'll want to head into Settings, toggle on Commute Mileage, and then choose a commute policy. There are two options, driver-specific and team-wide. With driver-specific, you can set an individual commute distance for each driver. You'll want to head into the Users tab, select a driver, and set their commute miles. And that's it. Alternatively, you can set a team-wide commute distance back on the settings page. Now, if you select the team-wide commute distance policy, all drivers on your team will have the same distance deducted, which you can add here. In this account, we've set it at 15 miles for the entire team. Once you set a commute policy, we'll send an email to your drivers with instructions for classifying business drives with the business plus commute purpose. Drives with that label will have commute miles automatically deducted from those drives. Hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.